What's up guys? In this video, I am going to show you how to add hyperlink in Overleaf resume. So let's get right into it. The first thing you're going to need to make this happen is some commands. The first command is the use package hyperref command that you are going to need to type in under the date command. Once you enter in that command, you are going to need another command, which is the URL plus clickable text command. Let's say, for example, you want to add a hyperlink to your LinkedIn account. Type in the URL plus clickable text command next to LinkedIn. Now type in the URL where it says URL. I'll use the LinkedIn website for this example. And add a text where it says clickable text. I'll make up a username for this example like Mike889 and press on recompile. As you can see, you've just added a hyperlink to your LinkedIn account. Now, if you want to change the color of your links, you are going to need another command, which is called the hyper setup command. Go ahead and enter this command under the use package hyperref command and press on recompile. As you can see, we've just changed the link color to the color magenta. But let's say you don't like that color and want to change it. Just change the 3 magenta colors from the command to the color you want. For example, I'll change them to the color blue for this example and press on recompile. As you can see, the link color has been changed to the color blue. Now, if you want to add more hyperlinks, for example, for your email or Instagram, just copy this command and paste it next to the word you want to add the link to. Like email in this example. Now edit and enter the URL you want your link to go to. For example, I want a link to my email. I'll type in yahoo.com and type in my email name and press recompile. As you can see, you've just added a hyperlink to link to your email. By using all these 3 commands, you are able to add hyperlinks to your resume. But you can also make any word a link and clickable. For example, I am going to make the word authorized a link by highlighting and going to insert and pressing on link. And just type in the URL in between these 2 symbols. I'll use the LinkedIn URL again for this example and press on recompile. As you can see, we've just made the word authorized a clickable link. And that's it, guys. That's how to add hyperlink in Overleaf resume. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe. See you guys on the next one.